How to get a refund on Sonic Drive-In. First, you want to go to the website. Simply go to your browser. I'm using Safari over here. You can use your Chrome on Android device. Click on search bar and search for Sonic Drive-In refund policy. After that, you'll see the official Sonic website over here. Simply tap on it. If you are seeing a page like this, you want to scroll down, and here you will see an resolve to resolve. And here you can also see what can I do to resolve this. And here you can see an information which is called what can I do to resolve this. If you have been blocked on the website, you can simply email the site owner to let them know that you were blocked. And what you also want to do is you want to include what you were doing on this page when you came up, and you want to share this Cloudflare Ray ID over here to the site owner. You want to simply do that over your email, and if your appeal is valid, you might be unblocked from the website, and you can also ask for a refund over there. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.